Hi, babe. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Okay, where are you? We're taking a walk.
Yeah,
we're not gonna divulge where we are.
Yeah, we're going to take a walk
In the woods. All right. There's a body of water there. Let's not go that way. Let's drop in. I got a plan where we're gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if we can find that woodpecker. Somewhere he's up there.
You think he's affiliated?
I told my wife about pileated woodpeckers, really big ones with the red thing on their head. And my wife thought I was saying affiliated woodpecker. I'm like, no, honey, I don't think he's affiliated with really anybody else. Come on, babe. Let's go take a walk down in here. One other person came through here with a dog. I know who it was. And now I have to kill him because he's on my spot. I'll save his dog, though.
Yeah, the dog is cool.
Dog is cool. All right. All right, keep walking, babe.
Nice.
Do you look back and wave? Let's go take a walk on the ice. You got to test it out, though, to see if it's safe, okay? I'll stand here.
I don't know why you need two cameras, honestly. Look at this.
Well,
So we can put it in the front and we both can walk into it.
plenty of ice. Got out here late. By the time I moved all the snow I had to move from the snowstorm at the house. Okay. Got pretty cedar trees. We got shagbark hickory over there. Okay. Ran off after the deer.
Yeah.
The snow tells the story. This starts to boil like immediately, you know?
Yeah. So what are we doing right now?
We're gonna make some coffee.
Nice.
We took a little walk, snowshoe walk.
Okay.
And now we're gonna boil up some water and put it through a coffee press. And we got this little coffee press to find these on Amazon. I have a link in the description right here. No, I'm only kidding. That's all set. Ready to accept the coffee. Okay, yeah.
And I have the coffee right here in this bag.
Okay,
All right.
alrighty.
One for one for one.
They're talking cryptics. That's already
How
starting to boil.
quickly that is.
And we don't
boiling.
even have it covered.
I have a cover.
No, that's right there. We don't. I'm saying we don't have it covered, and it boils right away. Okay, there's my wife way up there. She's up on the hill. I came down here already. She's whining. She's saying, if I fall, I'm gonna bust my leg.
You may have to go back to work and
Sidestep, honey. Sidestep. That's it. Put your pole downhill. Put that little pole in front of you. This is gonna be great if she goes down. She's threatening me up there. She's swearing. She's all. How you make it out, honey? She's going behind a tree. Jeez, I hope she doesn't fall when she's behind the tree. Then I won't get it. Oh, she's squatting position. Maybe she's peeing. Here she comes. You got it, honey. You're a fearless mountain climber. Come on. Think of the alpinist guy. You're doing it. You got this now.
Oh, I may learn how to ski.
Yep. There's a lot of grace going on right here. We caught it all on video. Why would you ever take that route? Did you see any deer? Did you see any deer that walked that way or anything?
This is where the Gunyikukan went, right?
Next bump over, honey. On the other side of it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Over that way.
Yeah.
How was it coming down that hill?
It was a little sketchy.
Come here.
It's a little sketchy, but
I heard you using some colorful language. Is that, what was that?
because his hair was all over in my mouth and everything.
Okay.
That's why I always braid
Oh,
it.
that stuff is your hair. That's not part of the jacket. You want to fluff it up for the camera?
I'm just sweating right now.